Hi there, my name is Sheik. I'm from Kia Everett. I'm going to show you guys how you set up your EV6 if you want to come follow me. I'm going to show you how you open the door. So once you unlock the car, push inwards to the left, and there we go, we're in. We're going to start off with the Bluetooth first. So if you go to your dashboard under setup, select device connections, and then tap on device connections again, and then add new device. Go to your phone under general, make sure the Bluetooth feature is turned on. Once you do that, the device name EV6 will show up on your phone, and just select it and then you'll be all cleared. Next up is setting up the clock for the EV6. So just go to your dashboard under setup, and then under general, once you select that, scroll all the way to the middle portion of it, you'll see date and time. Next up is getting access to your driver assistance settings. So go to your dashboard under setup, select the vehicle. Once you get there, you have access to those settings such as road safety and blind spot safety, and etc. Next up, I'm going to show you how you adjust the height for the power liftgate door. So the button right over here, if you want to just press it, give it a moment for it to open up fully. From here, just manually move the door according to your height. Press on this button again for 3 seconds. The height's been set. From here, you can just press this button again, it'll close. And now when you open it up again, it's set to the height. Next up, I'm going to show you how you charge a car. The charging port is located on the right side of the trunk. What you want to do first is just make sure the car is unlocked. Once you do that, just press and then just get your charger. And make sure you press this black button before you connect it to the car. There we go, it's connected, and then the lights over here indicate that the car is being charged. Once you're done charging, what you want to do is just make sure the car is unlocked. Press that black button on the charging handle. And then to close the door, just press this button here on the top left. And there you go. Again, my name is Sheik from Kia Everett. Just showing you some of the features on the EV6. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.